Good afternoon. I am Reggie, Associate Professor, Department of ECE. Today we are going to see about end-to-end architecture. On completion of this topic, students can understand the basics of end-to-end architecture. End-to-end architecture. 5G is certainly the loudest buzzword in the networking industry. Many carriers announced their 5G network in 2019, but the 5G deployment were mostly based on 3GP release. But if you see this 3GP release 15 still missed out many important 5G features. Specifications such as new 5G core, cell densification and support network latency down to 1 millisecond that are planned for 3GPP. Releases 16 and 17 to be standardized in 2020 and 21 respectively. But many of the 5G deployment announced in 2019 were deployed using non-standalone 3X option, legacy of evolved packet core and mobile core network to terminate 4G eNode B and 5G GNode B. This kind of setup offers 10 Gbs, 1 Gbs to 5 Gbs downlink speed with 5G enhanced mobile broadband service. The practical outdoor 5G download speed with UE is expected to be in the range of 300 Mbps versus 10 Mbps in 4G LTE now. The release of 3GPP standardized in late 2020 and 21 will have some enhanced mobile broadband supporting 10 Gbs, ultra reliable and low latency communication, massive machine type communication, vehicle to anything communication, allowing high speed moving vehicle to communicate with servers and the moving vehicle. You see the introduction of 5G, this core architecture. Here you will have this several component how this can be communicated with this network. 5Gs architecture and network function. The network functions we studied about the several network function connected to the control plane, user plane, control plane, common data storage. So whatever the data we can communicate from this lower network to this higher network. This can be very clearly given in this architecture of 5Gs. The same thing was developed by Bell Lab Future X network. So this Bell Lab Future X network, they explained about this main component, that is digital value platform, augmented cognition system, programmable network OS, universal adaptive core. Out of these four, that is the devices named is from emergency sensors and devices, massive scale access, converged edge cloud, and how they are communicated from the smart network to the higher network. That's what they very clearly given by the Bell Lab Future X network. From this topic, students can know about some important questions. Which of the following is not an component of end-to-end architecture? So they given 5G core, user equipment, 5G radio access, PSTN gateway. In end-to-end 5G, what is the function of access and mobility management function? It can handle spectral acceleration, manage session continuity and mobility, perform billing, control base station power. What is the primary role of session management function? Encrypt user data, handle authentication, manage session and IP address, monitor data failure. Thank you. So these are about how this end-to-end architecture can be used for different communication and what are the methods to be employed in these methods. Thank you.